की चिट चैट में आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। जा रहे हैं अभिषेक को टॉर्चर करने के लिए पुणे के शनिवार वाड़ा। दो कन्याओं के बीच में फंस के बैठ चुका है वो, और उसको ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि ना पीछे से कूद सकता है ना आगे से, क्या करे। उसके अलावा जो भी होगा हम आपको डेफिनेटली इन्फॉर्म करेंगे, बिकॉज मुझे भी नहीं पता कि शनिवार वाड़ा में एग्जैक्टली क्या मिलने वाला है। लेकिन मैंने एक पॉइंट पढ़ा था कि उसमें वो बोले थे कि वहाँ का जो ऑथेंटिक फूड है वो खिलाएंगे, तो इस बहाने मैं जा रही हूँ वहाँ पे क्योंकि खाना खाने को मिलेगा। टीना को ऑथेंटिक वड़ा पाव भी खिला देंगे वहाँ का, एंड कोशिश करेंगे कि टीना सो ना जाए वहाँ पे। मम्मी टीना पर्सनल लॉयर और अभिषेक तो कुछ बोलना ही नहीं चाहेंगे क्योंकि कल हम इमेजिका जाके आए थे। सोचा था हमने कि व्लॉग करेंगे, बट हम ज़्यादा मस्ती में आ गए, मतलब इतना मस्ती में आ गए हमने व्लॉग ही नहीं किया। तो मैं अगली बार जब भी इमेजिका जाऊंगी डेफिनेटली आई विल व्लॉग। जल्दी पहुंचने के बाद बेनिफिट्स उठा रहे हैं और हम यहाँ आए हैं सुधा माचे पोहे पे पोहा खाने। इसके साथ साथ दक्षिण शिवगिरी डोसा। दिस इज तर्री पोहा एंड दिस इज इंदौरी पोहा। गिव अस अ गुड रिव्यू।
गिव यू द ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू।
आओ। क्यों? पोहा है तो नहीं खाती। अरे खाओ ना। हम गा रहे हैं लोनी डोसा। वेरी प्रिटी, वेरी नाइस, सुंदर लग रहा है ये वाला डोसा मुझे। ये ना वो तरी पोहा अच्छा लग रहा है, गप्पू सा अच्छा लग रहा है। नॉर्मल पोहा तो खा ले। गाइस, दिस इज द एंट्रेंस ऑफ शनिवार वाड़ा। You can definitely check my Instagram page. I have posted each and every information over there. You'll get to know a lot about that. Are you excited?
No.
Are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah. नहीं ऐसे ही गंदा जोक। शोले याद है? हाँ याद है। अच्छा, अरे वो शॉल में अपने उसके हाथ छुप जाते हैं ना ठाकुर के।
क्या मतलब इसको समझाना पड़ेगा?
He's the owner and he runs the organization, and we started these walks from around 2018. So the idea was that there wasn't anybody doing any regular walks, heritage walks in Pune at that time. Peshwa, and after he died, his son Bajirao the First became the Peshwa. Bajirao the First. So that is.
मुस्कुराइए आप शनिवार वाड़े में। मुस्कुराइए। Now how are you liking it? मजा अच्छा है ना? डिफरेंट है थोड़ा। अपने गेट सारे सीधे हैं। नोटिस किया इनका ऐसे उसने लॉजिक बताया। लॉजिक समझ में आया इनके गेट्स का। अपने जयपुर में सारे गेट सीधे हैं। इनका लॉजिक देखा ना कितना ऐसे टेढ़ा गेट है।
Nothing standing. So we are, all of these are, if you see these stones, these are all remnants of the old building, darwazas, which, so there are names according to where by Shahu Maharaj, that is Shivaji Maharaj's grandson, and he died, and his son Bajirao the First became the, her son stayed with the Peshwas, and he fought in the battle of Panipat. Unfortunately there is nothing remaining of the Wada.
यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ पिलर्स होंगे, वो होंगे, बीम्स होंगी, स्ट्रक्चर है तो आई थिंक उस हिसाब से होगा ना।
So there are different darwazas to the Shaniwar Wada, different purposes. The Peshwas never, that darwaza was always used for the either army to come in and go out, or for official visits to the Peshwa. Ganpati, there's a small Ganpati temple outside that, which was the Ganpati idol was installed by the Peshwas. It's called Peshwe Ganpati. That's called the Mastani Darwaza. So she used that door to.
Is this a bathtub?
I don't know what it's called in Hindi.
It's not necessary only bath. It can be a steam bath. There is a nali also. It's a bath. It's a bath. There is a nali also. डर लगता है क्या तुमको, टीना? तुझे तो नहीं डर लगना चाहिए।
Both in Satara there is a Raja and there is a Raja in Kolhapur as well. And Pune just had the Peshwa. Descendants of the Mughals after Aurangzeb were not able rulers, and at one point the Marathas actually protected the Mughals.
They protected the Mughal
Yeah,
throne.
so the Mughal emperor at one point was under the protection of the
How
Marathas.
you are liking? Boring?
They actually have a secret.
प्रॉब्लम है मैं जहाँ भी हेरिटेज रिलेटेड जगह पे जाती हूँ इशू इज टू शूट वीडियोस कभी कभी अभिषेक अपनी आर्टिस्टिक ही इज वेरी आर्टिस्टिक समटाइम्स ह्यूज ह्यूज स्टेयर्स ध्यान से आना
Look at them. They on the board there. They say that it dates much before the Shaniwar Wala, from 1200 something. They have done some poor restoration work. No, that's not this one. That's the other one. So that's actually the true Ashok.
who's not at all interested
Maharashtra is generally called Maruti. Maruti is another name for Hanuman. In Pune, there are many Marutis which have weird names. So this is called Batata's Maruti.
what batata
Batata's
ala aloo na
Maruti is in Pune. So there's Jilbya Maruti because apparently there's a halwai next to the Maruti who used to offer jalebis to the Maruti every day. It's called Jilbya Maruti. Patrya Maruti, Bhangya Maruti, Dulya Maruti.
all these are खाने का items
No, not all.
Not
There is a
exactly.
Sonia Maruti because Sonia Maruti is where there are a lot of jewelry shops.
oh
Called Sonia Maruti. So there are all these very
so whatever
strangely
is
named-
famous things are there nearby
So all,
yeah
many Maruti temples are have
मम्मी आराम से चुन्नी चुन्नी ठीक ना कपड़े कपड़े
Actually, I don't know what it is.
looks like a chimney
It was. It is said that it was a structure to light a fire or light lamps on it. But it's been
because it's a corner
yeah,
I
but
think
it's been ruined by some later on some poor attempts at restoration. Look at that cat, so peaceful. Some ornamentation on that side. So this is a very typical Mughal or like an Islamic that arch.
Yeah.
But this is very Maratha. So this is a banana flower. So we call it kedful. So because if you see in a lot of Hindu festivities, banana stems with banana flowers on as decoration, or it's used in a lot of ceremonies. So there are banana flowers. So a lot of the older Peshwa time architecture in Pune, if you see.
I think these places you can cover in a day or something
If
Yeah,
you
फिर
want
आप
to stay, you can stay for a number of
no
days.
like
2 days you can cover
people
this.
those who are working actually
Yeah,
they
no,
can go for
Saturday, Sunday
weekends
you
yeah
can do
we can use our weekend बहुत ही सुंदर होता है विंटर्स में हाँ हाँ समझ गए जैसलमेर में जोधपुर जैसलमेर आर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट जयपुर इफ़ यू वांट टू सी थोड़ा बहुत मॉडेसिटी ऑल्सो वहाँ पे आपको वो शहर वाइब्स पूरी हो जाएंगी दैट जयपुर हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ फोर्ट्स आपको जयपुर भी जाना चाहिए सर्दी में इट्स बेस्ट
Because Rajasthan is so big, we can't,
Yeah.
you can't cover all.
नो नो यू कैन नॉट एक्चुअली राजस्थान के हर पार्ट में आपको क्योंकि
अलग-अलग कुछ
बहुत सारे राजा रहे हैं एग्जैक्टली
100 years back in history from the Shaniwar Wala. So we are in the 1730s. We'll go to the 1630s.
वी आर गोइंग बैक इन द हिस्ट्री
We
एक्चुअली
are going back in history
Okay.
100 years.
मेरे अनमोल रतन नॉट टाटा बट रतन मम्मी मम्मी को कभी भी है ना देखे कभी ट्राई करना Hi guys, this is me because I am not there in the vlog, not really showing my face to you all, so you must know what I am wearing. This is OTD. Outfit of the day. You have been recorded.
That's the Queen Victoria. So the before independence.
Grill
There are different reasons why it could be. One is, as you know, the British controlled the market.
So which is actually 75 and a little older than that, so must be around 100 years old at least. Somebody own this? Yeah, people live there. So how do they conquer all these Vada? Like how do you live in the Vada? Like so there are different ways. One is some Vadas are just like private bungalows. They are just like
Achha,
Havelis,
okay.
just
They
one
have been
family
sold
lives.
to these
There are
families.
some, they must have built it themselves. Their ancestors.
Okay, their ancestors must have built.
And some Vadas are built as a community living. So that's like a church. So there are smaller houses inside where different families live. So it's like a rented out also. Okay, Vada, so
Actually, that means this is the oldest Bada. There are lots of them, right? That is also a vada. Means the purana,
Vada basically
purana big house.
Means big house, not
even
Purana.
big house. Not even big house. Vada is house.
So if I have a house that is huge,
Yeah.
that will be called as vada.
उसके वाड़ा मतलब नाम नहीं है. शनिवार वाड़ा का नाम शनिवार वाड़ा नहीं है. वो वाड़ा
Yeah,
एक
it was
building
built.
बनाने का
Yeah,
तरीका है.
So this is Kasba Peth, as I said. This is the oldest part of Pune. In 1630s, when Jizabai, Shivaji Maharaj's mother, she rebuilt the city. While they were doing a rebuilding, one of the families in their premises, they found remnants of an old
In
temple.
addition that, when you get married, when you do invitations for a marriage, when you give them out to your relative, before you give them to anyone, you first invite the Ganpati to your wedding. So you have to come here and you give the first wedding card to the Ganpati. And even after getting married, before you go home, you come and seek blessings of the Ganpati. So some people, even bring newborn children to the Ganpati. So they are, touch the Ganpati. Yeah. So this is the heritage walk which we do. Okay. So this is the old city walk. Okay. Which is in the old city area of Pune. Okay. Then we do old cantonment walk. Cantonment walk. I want to understand what exactly you were saying about the cantonment walk. This is the cantonment snack walk. Okay. It includes lots of varieties of bakeries and eateries which are almost around 100 years old in Pune. Oh, that's nice. Okay. And also we do one day trips to many different places. Okay. Also we have many one day trips. Yeah, what about the one day trips? So one day trips are like typically we go in the morning. Okay. Come back in the evening. Okay. And it's nearby Pune? Yeah, it's nearby Pune. So we do White Heritage Tour. Okay. Mumbai Heritage Tour. Oh. So like even Mumbai? Yeah, even Okay.
Mumbai we cover.
Okay.
So recently, yesterday only we went with 22 people to Mumbai.
Okay, okay.
7 days to Bundelkhand, to Run of Kutch,
Ah.
to Indore and everything. So
Okay.
we do that as well.
I'll stay in touch with you.
Yeah.
If you want any kind of links about this, you can check out the Instagram page. I'm gonna tag them and you can directly come in touch with them. This is Paras Khaja Mithai Kendra. Khaja matlab?
I don't know. I also don't know. Khaja म्हणजे?
Khaja म्हणजे?
खाजा म्हणजे स्वीटच असतं मिठाई असते
हा ते
We don't know Marathi.
अच्छा right yes
आय शो यू इट
Khaja is yeah Khaja is
Please go inside. He's the
Can
owner
I
of the
can I
shop.
go? Can I come inside?
या सी दिस इज कॉल्ड पारस खाजा क्या रहता है एक स्वीट पूरी रहता है और ये सिर्फ अपन ही बनाते हैं पुणे में बाकी और किधर मिलता नहीं है
अच्छा तो
इसके लिए
खाजा
अपन- हाँ
खाजा खाना है तो यहाँ आना
यहाँ ही आना
पड़ेगा.
पड़ेगा आपको
So we have just done the darshan. अब हम आ गए हैं पारस खाजा पे कुछ snacks खाने के लिए. The Western Roots have arranged this meal, small meal for us, and we are very excited for that. I think there is खांडवी. क्या क्या है? खांडवी. ये क्या है? रोल है. This is सांबर वड़ी.
Sambar means coriander. In Vidarbha they call coriander as sambar. There is a kothimbi, there they say sambar. It's a very Nagpur thing actually.
This is a Nagpuri thing.
Sambar. And this is suradichi vadi. It's also so Gujaratis also make this. They call it
Khandvi. Khandvi. This is Khandvi, right?
So,
No, I have.
say suradichi vadi.
Yeah.
So that's made from besan.
So this is sambar vadi. This is
basically
Khandvi,
besan,
but
chickpea
we call it
सुरई वड़ी
Surai vadi.
This is of
And ये
course,
क्या है?
That is butterscotch burfi.
Butterscotch बर्फी.
Yeah, the unique stage you just taste it and you will feel it.
ठीक है.
So misal pav actually originated in Pune. Shop called Vaidya Upahar Gruha. So Vaidya Upahar Gruha actually was the first one to start something like misal. So that Vaidya, the original misal is very different. So misal has been, because misal is something which just means mixture. So every shop has a different formula.
Yeah.
Every city has its a different formula. So it tastes different in every place. So the original misal is very different. It's actually a green rasa, not a red
Green?
rasa. Very, so Pune is also known for very curt and sarcastic.
Yeah.
So usually Pune is known for its boards. These boards with instructions or with whatever written in old restaurants. Very kind of rude
Oh, thank you.
board. So you call it Puneri Patya board. The Puneri Patya are very famous. So Vaidya is one place where you can go see those Puneri Patya. You go sit inside, there will all be these like hundreds of instructions written. You don't sit here more than necessary. You can't share one misal. If you have to share, you have to pay extra, or pohacha chivda or something. And then there will be a very spicy curry that you pour on top, and then you eat it with bread. No, in Pune or in Kolhapur, if you go, the old misal places, the very old ones, in Pune, Kolhapur also has like 100-year-old misal. They will never give pav with it. So pav is a very Mumbai addition to here. In Pune, if you go, most of the old misal, like there is Vaidya, there is Shri Krishna, Bedekar. They'll all give you a bread slice, a big slice of white bread with the misal. Town will claim that their misal is the best, and there will be people will, you know, have passionate arguments about that they get. So Puneri misal, Kolhapuri misal, Nashik ची misal, Mumbai ची misal.
We say that Katakiri is best.
So Katakiri is actually Kolhapuri misal.
Yes.
Shri Krishna is there, no? Tulshibag.
Tulshibag. In Pune there are, you know, loyalists to misal places. Go to Bedekar, go to Bedekar. They'll not go anywhere else. They'll be like, oh, that is all nonsense misal. This is
They
the
will
best.
stand outside Katakiri and say, no, we'll go to Bedekar.
Yeah.
अभी अभिषेक और मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि whenever we'll make a house in Pune, we'll keep the name Vada. So it will be Abhishek's and Purvi's Vada. It's a big home and it's our Vada, so we'll keep it Vada. A lot of Vadas here anyways.
But this is where Shivaji Maharaj used to stay in Pune. So him and his mother, and it was called Lal Mahal at that time, probably because it was red colored or what. Stayed in a building called Lal Mahal. The Lal Mahal was already in ruins even before the Peshwas came. When the Peshwas built Shaniwar Wada, the Lal Mahal already was in ruins. So nobody's seen the original building really. So this is now a small memorial and a museum on Shivaji Maharaj's life that they have built here. But this is the place where Lal Mahal, from the Lal Mahal, and he put it into the foundations of the Shaniwar Wada as blessings of Shivaji Maharaj before the Shaniwar Wada was built. So this is where Lal Mahal used to be. Peshre Ganpati. So we saw the Peshre Darwaza from the inside. That is the small Ganpati which the Peshwas had installed there. It was kind of their family Ganpati. Now all renovated, but the Ganpati is
देखते हैं टीना का क्या चल रहा है अभी, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि टीना अब तक तो पक चुकी है, हैज़ नो कंटिन्यूस इंटरेस्ट. यस, टीना तो लग रही है, टीना तो सही में दिल्ली से ही आई है, तो दिल्ली वाली ही लग रही है सब से. दिल्ली वालों में अलग वो होता है एटीट्यूड. हाँ, ये तो तेरे अंदर दिल्ली ज़्यादा आ गया तेरे अंदर. मेरे को लगता है तो जयपुर की नहीं रही. तेरी शक्ल थोड़ी जयपुर वाली है. करा नहीं, अरे दिल्ली वाले हैज दिस स्पेशल वाइब, एटीट्यूड वाइब. एटीट्यूड डोंट टेक इट एज नेगेटिव वे ना, इट्स अ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. बट दिल्ली वालों का अलग होता है. तो तू है जयपुर की, बट तेरे अंदर दिल्ली वाला आ गया है एटीट्यूड. तो आ गया ना वो दिल्ली वाला. यू मीट मी आफ्टर 6 years, आई विल बी स्पीकिंग मराठी. आई विल बी पुणे वाली देन. So not Pune wali, Pune wali. Yeah? Correct?
Correct.
See, I'm learning. Guys, this was Nanavada and it is a museum. So I have not shot anything inside the museum because it is not allowed to bring cameras inside. If you do want to visit, the ticket is very reasonable. It's only $25 if you are coming. Definitely should visit and stay tuned for more. Now I think we are heading towards something else. Because actually इन गलियों से ही पता लगता है how authentic these places are or how authentic these गलियाँ are. I really miss Jaipur right now because Jaipur में भी हमने यही सब चीज़ें explore की हैं. Hi Zani.
Hello.
So how you are liking the whole tour? Have you done it before? या
It
फिर
was
पहली
my
बार?
first experience.
Okay.
So
भाऊ साहेब रंगारी भवन. This is again a Vada.
Okay, it belongs to a person called Bhau Sahib Rangari, and so there's some history given here. Bhau Sahib Rangari is actually a freedom fighter. There are actually photographs from that time. This is they talk about the restoration here. So that's the Vada before restoration. So you can see it's not in very good shape, but they have secrets and passages and hiding places and things like that to the Vada. Vadas usually don't have basements. So if you see traditionally in Pune, Vadas generally do not have had a basement. Now they've opened it up for us to see, but this was a concealed place. You couldn't see. There was a trap door and there was a hiding room.
वो दिखाने के लिए
because वो
नीचे
दिखाने के लिए नीचे कितना बड़ा है,
इसके जस्ट नीचे है ना,
वो रूम कितना अंदर है पीछे दिखाने के लिए. This is hollow. This is actually wood, so you could actually remove a panel and there is space inside to crawl in and hide. There's a hiding space inside the wall. So the thing is, because the alleys are very narrow here, there is a mechanism where you can actually turn the wheels in a right angle, pull it sideways, so you don't have to turn it.
No more secret cabinets.
So these are all weapons that he snatched or looted from the British police and the East India Company.
जो गणपति होते हैं वो इस पे लेके जाते हैं, मतलब ये बाहर निकलता है.
हाँ, ये बाहर निकलता
So old houses in Pune would generally have a living room on the upper floor, which would be a big living room with usually a swing in the center. So even my grand, but because Tada is a very dense part of the city, it's small. That was built during the British times because they needed a road to cut through the city from the cantonment, which was on the other side, to the newer part of the city, that is Shivaji Nagar, that is on the other side of the river. Ganpati Mandir. Okay, so this is arguably the most popular Ganpati temple in Pune. One of the most popular in Maharashtra as well. So Dagdushet Ganpati's history is such that actually there was a person called Dagdushet Halwai, and he and his wife, so they used to live in Pune. They lost their son to that illness. Somebody said that because something bad has happened in the house, you should install a Ganpati idol and pray to it. So Sarojini Ganesh also started. They also started celebrating Ganpati festival on a large scale. The current idol which you see was made somewhere in the 60s. So after that, the Ganpati started gaining a lot of popularity because it's believed that whatever you ask for comes true. In Marathi, we say Navas Bolne. Navas Bolne is when you say that if you actually ask the Ganpati for something, that if you do this, I will do this, or I will give you something, but you promise something in return for a wish to be granted. So one of the things that people give, of course, is a lot of money and gold and jewelry and gems and all of that. That the Ganpati is all decked in gold. It's a lot of jewelry. It was actually built by the British at that time to encourage people to read English.
The oldest library in Pune. Nice. The oldest public library in Pune.
Chai?
हम डिब्रू सेठ आ चुके हैं, but we are not taking the darshan. We are not taking the darshans because it might take a lot of time. So and we are having chai at Amrut Talya. Let me show you.
The original chai shop, the first one in Pune, it's called Adya Amrut Talya, was started by Rajasthani. Adya. Another temple, it's called Jogeshwari temple. So this is considered as so that was Gram Daivat, which is Kasba. It's called Grama Devata, that is the village goddess. Jogeshwari is actually even older than Kasba, Ganpati. So this is a goddess temple inside. So outside it's all become like a cement building now. The original temple is inside. On the other side of Shandarwada there is another road exactly similar to this, parallel, which goes, the traffic flows in the opposite direction. Both the roads meet in front of the Shaniwar Wada. Yeah. Tulsi Bagh is this narrow lanes with like shops all on the side. उनके पास डब्बे होते हैं बड़े बड़े, they'll give you to smell, and also all these shops will sell you everything you need for baking. So all your baking trays, all your cupcake molds, but also all your yeast, baking soda, flavors.
What is this
chocolate
road
powder,
called?
This is all Tulsi Bagh.
Tulsi
This
Bagh.
is Monday, this is Tulsi Bagh. All
Okay.
of this is Tulsi Bagh market.
Okay.
I will go into Tulsi Bagh.
Okay.
Just. Onions, सुखाए, पुराने वाले, नए वाले, all of that डेला.
TV?
as well.
और गणपति
फ्रिज है ना छोटा.
So you can see there's like ornamentation on the pillars and all of that. There are these numbered stalls for each vendor. He'll sit and sell, and this is storage.
हल्दी.
Yeah. There are some things which you will get in the old market all year round, which you will not get otherwise outside elsewhere. So haldi is one. You want fresh turmeric, you will always come here because here you know that you will get it for sure.
Banana flower.
This is banana flower. Okay. So this when gets pollinated, each of this will become a banana. हर एक का केला हो जाएगा. So if you see केले कैसे लगते हैं ना, so each of this becomes a bunch. So every layer, if you see, अंदर there is flowers. वो सब वो तोरण, कलश, ये वो जो भी चाहिए आपको, आप उनको बोलना होता है बस कि क्या पूजा है आपके घर पे. सत्यनारायण पूजा है तो वो दे देंगे. शादी है तो वो शादी का जो है वो दे देंगे.
पूरा किट बना के दे देंगे आपको.
किट दे देंगे.
ओके.
ये आंटी बस अब यही हरकत करो फिर होगा.
पहनो हील पहनो.
इनको मारने में ध्यान
मैंने
चला
क्या
गया.
किया, धक्का मार के तू निकली मेरे को.
Again, same rule, no photographs inside the temple. You can see it's a very beautiful Ram temple. So, यहाँ, if you see, lot of shops sell lot of brass, especially छोटे वो सब मूर्तियाँ जो भी घर में लगता है ना भगवान का, all the idols, दिए और ये सब. So they're all selling his lamps and all. The Ram Mandir. So this is called Tulsi Bagh Ram Mandir. So they have been doing restoration work on this. So they अभी सब वो polishing का काम कर रहे हैं. Now they started working on the spire. और ऊपर का रूफ का काम बाकी है. अंदर का काम पूरा हो गया है. तो we'll see it from कनक चंपा.
Okay.
मुचकुंद मराठी. It's called मुचकुंद.
It's very tall.
So that's the end of the walk. I hope you all enjoyed the walk.
Yes.
And,
Kudos.
Come again. Come for other events as well. So today, because we are late, it's all because of you. Because you are very enthusiastic and listening to whatever I'm saying. So,
That's nice.
so thank you very much. You can.
We should take a picture here
if you
also.
want to.
So guys, this is the end. This is the end of the walk, and we have ended our walk to Tulsi Bagh. Tulsi Bagh towards Shri Krishna Misal. We are gonna have misal. It's tikha. I love it because Puneri misal is anyways tikha na thoda to. So we are gonna have misal now, and it will be officially the end of this trip. आप सभी को ये अच्छा लगेगा, मजा आएगा.
तो पहले उधर गया.
Shri Krishna Bhuvan. Bhuvan is Bhavan only. Are you excited to have misal? No? तुझे नहीं खाना मिसल पाव? तो वहाँ बैठ जाना आगे. अब हम आ गए हैं श्री कृष्ण मिसल में मिसल पाव खाने के लिए, एंड आई नो इट्स गोना बी अमेजिंग.
ये इसमें मिक्स करना.
रीना को
जितना चाहिए उतना आप इसमें मिक्स करके और ये उसके साथ तोड़ के या फिर इसमें डिप करके
खाना. ये आलू के ऊपर पोहा का चिवड़ा है, एंड देन तुम तरी डाल, डायरेक्ट डाल, तरी डाल अच्छे से. यस, गाढ़ा में भी डाल. बस मीठ तीखा देख के. इसमें गाढ़ा कुछ होगा तो वो भी डाल. हाँ, कुछ नहीं गाढ़ा, ठीक है. हाँ, अब इसको थोड़ा सा मिक्स कर. इसमें नींबू भी डाल सकती है. पहले ये एक बाइट ले, तीखा होगा थोड़ा सा. हाँ, तो तू डाल सकती है. इसमें वो भी डालना, नींबू. You can have. हाँ, देखो रोटी सब्जी. इसे मिक्स कर लेना. Tell me, how was it? Good.
बेस्ट
Hey, please give me honest review, ठीक है?
Honestly, it was really good.
वेरी
पैसा वसूल.
Better than expected.
हाँ
Thank you.
ये
And I'm looking forward to give you more vlogs like this, and hope to see more of Pune very soon. खुश रहो everybody.